Ribero, please don't go. Hey, you're at home. There's any sign of you leaving. Why are people so worried at the moment? Did he ever say you might leave, you might go to Alali, or is it just speculation?
Nah,
Para o lado.
now I stay focused in my season. I think so. This is not the moment to speak this situation. I'm happy in my club. This me is the very moment it's very moment for me in my Melody Sundown. Me score 2 goals. We take the trophy. So this is not the moment to speak this situation. I'm just focused in the season. The 2 games, the Champions League, Club World Cup. So I mean, just focus in the finish the season.
People talk about missing home. Missing home. How have you handled the missing home part?
Now it's very difficult because the family. You see, my mother, my father, my sister. It's very important for me. So it's very difficult. But I know I say before the guys they help me all the time inside the pitch, but more other side the pitch. So the staff he give me the message sometimes, but it's not easy. But it's the life. So me stay focused in the game, but it's very difficult. But this is the life. Sometimes the people forget you play football is easy. You go in the pitch, you play, you enjoy. But after, it's very difficult. So, but this is the life. Me try to put in my head only the things positive.
Yes.
So, but the team improve all the time. Not only in the best moment, but in the difficult moment. So I'm very happy this season. I'm very happy my brothers win again.
And again.
Win again. So I'm very happy.
Retsweri Ribero Costa Warona.